Hi, my name is Khan. Today I am here to let you know big tragedy for Pakistan. As many as 750 men, women, and children from Syria, Egypt, the Palestinian territories, and Pakistan were on board the vessel, trying to reach relatives in Europe. The Greek Coast Guard has defended its response to the tragedy that left more than 500 migrants presumed drowned. The vessel sank on Wednesday. Sharif expressed his grief over the tragedy and said Monday would be observed as a day of mourning, with the national flag flying at half-staff. He previously said that Pakistan's embassy in Athens has identified 12 nationals who were rescued by the Coast Guard. There was no official information on how many Pakistanis were on board the vessel, how many survived, or how many perished. Greek authorities have been criticized for their failure to act faster. They say the migrants insisted they didn't need any help, but non-governmental organizations say they received a number of calls for help. The sinking was one of the worst disasters of its kind this year. Meanwhile, police in Pakistan-administered Kashmir said Sunday they arrested 12 people involved in sending local youths to Libya for the onward journey to Europe.